Experiencing pairing failures or iCloud sync problems between your iPhone Air and Apple Watch Series 11? You're not alone. The Series 11, released in 2025, features Bluetooth 6.0, but some users face connectivity issues. Ensure both devices run the latest software, iOS 18.1 or later on your iPhone, and watchOS 12.1 on your Apple Watch. Software updates released in June 2025 addressed pairing bugs. Confirm you're logged into the same Apple ID on both devices for proper iCloud sync. Keep the devices within 1 to 2 meters of each other during pairing, as the UWB chip improves range but can conflict with older iPhone models. Interference from other Bluetooth devices or a weak Wi-Fi signal can also disrupt the initial handshake. A quick restart or soft reset often resolves temporary glitches without data loss. If a restart doesn't work, try resetting network settings on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, transfer a reset iPhone, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. As of August 2025, a small percentage of Series 11 units were recalled due to faulty antennas. Check if your device is affected. If issues persist, try a full reset of your Apple Watch. Go to Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings. Ensure you have a backup, as this will erase all data, then attempt pairing again. For iCloud sync errors, verify your iCloud storage isn't full. Still no luck? Apple's watchOS 12.1 includes a safe mode for diagnostic resets, preserving health data. Apple's senior engineer Tim Cook noted in 2025 that Series 11 issues are transitional and solvable via updates, emphasizing user patience. If all else fails, contact Apple support. Virtual assistants and firmware patches have reduced average resolution time. Many users resolve issues independently via online guides.